Hello guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Lidiana Flamodesti. I'm from 10-1 and I made this video to complete my assignment for interviewing the most influenced person in your life by Mr. Rajib, the teacher of the English subject. So this is the video. I will be interview that person. Did you curious about who is the person? In this video, I interview my mother, which is the person who much influence in my life. And if you ask why I choose her, there's a lot of answer that I can tell to you. So the first reason I choose her is because she is next to me and I always meet her every time. And the second answer is because she already raised me and then she bring me to this life and then she give me all of her love. So this is my video guys, so watching it until it ended. Bye bye and thank you. Hello everyone, so this is the person I will interviewing about, which is she is one of the most influenced person in my life. She is my mother.
Halo,
So mom, can you introduce yourself?
oke, halo teman-temannya Nafla. Saya mamanya Nafla. Saya seorang ibu rumah tangga yang kesehariannya ya menjalani aktivitas untuk merawat anak dan suami. Dan setiap harinya saya juga mengantar Nafla untuk pergi ke sekolah dan menjemput sekolah dan mengantarkan ke aktivitas-aktivitas lain seperti les, renang, dan sebagainya.
So yeah, thank you for the introduction.
Ya,
Can we move to the main question?
oke. Of course.
Okay, the first question is about music. What kind of music do you like?
Oke, kalau musik saya lebih menyukai musik yang bergenre bikin semangat gitu, yang ngebeat gitu. Kenapa? Ya menurut saya kita memulai aktivitas itu kalau kita dengerin musik yang ngebeat, yang semangat gitu, itu bikin kayak kita tuh happy gitu. Jadi kan kita tuh harus memulai aktivitas itu hari pertama itu harus happy, harus semangat gitu. Supaya apa? Apa yang kita kerjakan, tugas yang kita kerjakan itu dapat hasil yang maksimal. Seperti itu.
So the second question is about what kind of food do you like?
Oke, what food do you like? Kalau saya pribadi, karena saya orang Indonesia, saya lebih menyukai yang namanya bakso. Yummy.
meatball.
Yes, bakso. Why? I think first, misalnya kita kalau bosen nih sama makanan nasi gitu ya, yang paling dapet kita sering jumpain kita apa? Bakso. Itu pertama. Terus juga kan bisa mengenyangkan gitu. Terus juga gampang, kita cari-carinya di mana tuh semua ada. Terus rasanya itu juga cocok lah. Itu untuk kita kalau yang bosen-bosen sama makan nasi itu pilihan yang paling cocok menurut saya dan menurut selera saya itu ya di bakso.
Is meatball.
Ya.
Yeah, I like it too. But I prefer
I
is
know
noodle.
it.
Yeah, because you are my mother. For the third question is about fragrance. What kind of fragrance do you like? Is like soft fragrance or strong fragrance?
Oke, fragrance itu parfum ya. Kalau saya pribadi itu lebih seneng parfum yang baunya itu kayak permen. Gitu. Kenapa? Mungkin itu bisa mengingatkan saya sama masa-masa dulu saya waktu kecil gitu kan, suka konsumsi permen. Jadi seandainya waktu lagi pengen makan permen terus mungkin lupa gitu, tapi ada parfum itu, ya udah saya lebih pilih parfum yang baunya itu kayak permen kayak gitu. Kalau Lydia sendiri gimana?
If it's me, same either. I prefer soft fragrance, and the soft fragrance I like is like vanilla, because what vanilla is get a good vibes of us and positive vibes.
Berarti kesimpulannya hampir sama lah ya. Tos dulu.
Yes. Okay. And then the next question is fourth question. What kind of view do you like? It's like mountain or city life or beach or maybe the others like lake.
Okay, try to answer the question. Nah, karena saya itu masa kecilnya itu tinggal di desa yang bersebelahan dengan pegunungan gitu, persawahan. Jadi saya tuh lebih seneng kalau kemana-mana lagi suntuk, lagi capek itu nyarinya yang view gunung gitu ya. Karena kan sekarang saya tinggal di ya kotaan, jadi kan kalau mau menikmati sesuatu harus agak ada usaha dulu gitu. Jadi kita tuh jalan-jalannya ya ke gunung gitu. Deket-deket sini soalnya nggak ada gunung gitu. Kenapa? Why? Ya karena saya tenang aja gitu kalau lihat hijau-hijauan gitu, serasa kayak damai gitu, dengerin suara burung itu loh, itu kayak aduh, kayak tenang gitu. Tapi kalau saya sih lebih senang menikmati itu kayak kita duduk di sebuah kafe gitu, atau warung kecil-kecilan sambil ngopi dan menikmati keindahan gunungnya kayak gitu. How about
That's
you?
very nice.
How about you?
And for me, I prefer city like.
Why?
Because I prefer to see and stay in the city. When I stay in the city, when it comes to night, there will be a lot of lamp and light will turn it on, and it's like special of different atmosphere for me, and I think that's very special for me.
Makes your heart calm down, right?
Yes, even the city is uncrowded, but when it comes to the light and city light, it's like everything is gone and it feels like me time. The last question is the fifth question. The fifth question is, when it comes to bread, what the texture of the bread do you prefer? You prefer soft bread like brownies or hard bread like cookies?
Okay, well, actually, I don't like too much bread. Yeah, like smooth bread or hard bread. Totally, I don't like. I prefer to choose fruit than bread. I don't know why, because I think bread is not apa ya, tidak cocok gitu untuk saya gitu kan. But the question is antara roti yang teksturnya lembut atau hard bread. Ya, oke. Kalau seperti itu saya lebih memilih, I prefer to choose soft bread or smooth bread. Why? Because I have sakit gigi. So itu alasan utama saya memilih untuk lebih menyukai roti yang lembut teksturnya daripada yang keras. Karena apa? Karena kalau saya memilih tekstur yang keras, meskipun itu mengenyangkan, itu akan membuat saya lebih sakit lagi giginya.
Yeah,
Ya, itu alasan utamanya.
that's totally right.
Yes.
And especially when your teeth is sensitive.
Itu sangat tidak mengenakan, menyakitkan. And you girl?
I prefer soft bread like brownies. Yeah.
Why?
And actually I like brownies. Because what? Because when it comes to bread, I take it just for enhancing my mood. And when I want to enhancing my mood, I want to do something easy. And I want to do much soft bread.
Iya sih, aku pernah dengar juga tuh kalau memang makanan-makanan manis itu bisa membangkitkan mood kita gitu dalam menjalankan aktivitas gitu. Jadi memang benar sih, mulailah hari-harimu dengan makan makanan yang manis like that. It's true, right?
Yeah, it's true.
Ever you hear before that
Yeah, I
sentence?
ever hear a few times, but I sometimes I think, yeah, it's true.
But
it's
You
related.
must worry if you have that way. So don't eat too much sweet bread. Okay, it's the note,
Okay.
right?
Yes. So enough.
Okay.
Okay. So our interview has ended now, and I already asked her about 5 questions according to 5 senses. I think I can close this interview, and thank you for my mother who already cooperated with me to make this assignment.
My pleasure, darling.
Pleasure. Thank you guys for watching this
Bye
video.
bye. See you
Bye-bye.
next time.